Welcome to our channel, Tigo Tong, where we continue to talk about food and give you information on how to preserve and save food for the difficult periods such as this. Today we'll be talking about tomatoes, locally known as nyanya, and how to preserve them for long. Although tomatoes were never part of our traditional foods, today they have become part of our food preparation. And many people find that they cannot cook or even prepare a meal without them. However, they are a seasonal farm product, and you find that when they are out of season, they can be very expensive. In fact, not so long ago when there were flooding in the country, tomatoes for the first time in this country became even more expensive than imported apples. And it became a point of jokes, especially in the social media, that to be seen with many tomatoes was an indication of immense wealth. Because of the seasonality of tomatoes, you need to ensure a continuous supply in the house at optimum cost. It means that when you purchase them when they are in great supply and preserve for the out of supply seasons. Tomatoes can be preserved in two ways. You can either dry them out in the sun or cook them and store them in airtight jars. I will take you through both the methods, and I will start with sun drying. For sun-dried tomatoes, ensure that you pick slightly bigger ones, but hard. You don't take the soggy ones. You pick hard, ripe tomatoes. Wash them and then dry them. Then cut them into slices, as you can see. Lay them out in the sun on trays or on a mat. Let them dry out. And at the end of the day, before you take them into the house, sprinkle salt on them. The next day when you're bringing them out, turn them and sprinkle salt on the upper part. You have to keep on turning them until they have dried completely, as shown. When they are dry and brittle, now you know that they are ready to be packed. Dried tomatoes shrink so seriously. You will have a basin of tomatoes, and the final product will be something that fills, a very small container. But it is a good supply, because when you begin to cook, you only need a little.